Okay, so let's work on one scenario. So here the coding is very minimal. So I'm taking the file 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is my data. I'm saving this here in C drive. Okay. So I'm saving this in the Unix folder, sample file. Okay, sample. So I have shared this file. Okay, so I've saved this file, and my output should be like this. I need to get the output like this: 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, comma 3. Again 1, 2, 2, comma 3, comma 4. Again 1, 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. So this is my output I need. Okay. So how you are going to work on this scenario? Okay. So here input is a file. Okay. So first what you need to do, you need to take a sequential file. Now go to job design. Okay. So maximize this. So drag and drop sequential file, and output also we need it in a file. Just drag and drop this. And here we need to perform this kind of transformation activity. We need to use transformer. Okay. S- Now we need to define this. How to define all these things we'll have in practical sessions. Now just click on this. You need to map the input file. So here I'm not writing any program here. Just I am navigating the tool options. Okay. So go to source. Our file is kept at source folder. You need to go to the folder where is our file is located, Unix. So this is the file, sample IP, and we don't have any column name in the first line. Okay. And delimiter also none. We don't have any delimiter, and double quotes none. So here what you can do, go to columns, you need to define the column. Okay. So here SC key and give some name, column name. Okay. So give integer or a varchar, whatever it may be, integer 1, nullability no. Okay. So click on OK here. Now here I'm writing the logic. Okay. So here you need to write the logic. For that, you need to create a variable. Okay. So normally in BTech first year, we have the C language, right? So I need to declare variable. Okay. SV stage variable, append append data. So varchar, you can give varchar because we need to have commas, right? Let it be length 255. Now click on OK. Now, first number we need to consider as a number, record number should be 1. Okay. So for that, what you need to do, we need to go to derivation here, if then else logic. Okay. So first stage variables here, where we'll have this in row number. Whenever in row number is 1, then we have to give the input column. Okay. Else, what you need to do? You need to concatenate the stage variable data, append, concatenate. So double quotes, I'm giving double quotes, comma. I need to separate it again, double quotes, and concatenate, and again the input column. Okay. So I will explain this logic. So first record, it will be 1. Okay. So that 1 will be stored, and it will be stored in the user variable. And that user variable, what I am doing, I am assigning to target. Okay. So here I'm giving a new column, output data in varchar to 55. And you can give default length and map this. Okay. So the mapping is done. So here once it will store it to the output. Now click on OK. Now define this target path. Choose the target path. So it's a source, right? Go to C drive, target path, OPT data, output. Okay, so give some name txt. So delimiter is comma. You can okay, click on OK. And whenever you are running this job, these kind of scenarios, always you need to consider run in a sequential mode. So why we need to run a sequential mode? Those things we will discuss in the regular training program. Now save this. Okay, save this job. Exercise. Give some number. 14th May. 25. Some. So here first numbers are not allowed. Okay. Give job. Now save. Okay. So now let's go to the output and we'll delete all the files, whatever we have kept in the output. So I'm deleting this. Now save, compile and run this job. So here this is the compile button. Uh, okay. Okay. Click on run. So this is the run button. This is the run button. This is the compile button and this is a save as and all. Okay. So here 5 rows, 5. Okay. Now let's see the output, guys. Are able to get the desired output, what we have discussed? Okay. So like that, we will be working with various scenarios in the training program. Okay. For example, here the input, here I have like this, right? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I need to convert this ver vertical to horizontal. Okay. So I need to convert this vertical to horizontal. Okay. So let me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. And my requirement is to convert into like this. Okay. So this is the input data and this is the output data. Need to get the output data like this. Okay. So now how we are going to work on this? It's very simple. On top of this job, vertical to hori. Just save as. Okay. Now what you can do? you need to have only the last record. So go to filters, and we have the function to pick the last records. Go to functions here from the derivation. Okay. And here you can see the last row handling, last row. So that's it. Click on OK. Click on OK. Save, compile, and run this job. Okay, so you may face these kind of questions in interview scenarios. Okay, so I'll be covering all the scenario based training. So that will be helpful for you during the interviews. And we'll be covering all the stages, how we can define, how we it can be worked and all. So this is the input. So let's see once the job gets completed. See here, 5 rows we have in the input, and we have considered only one record. Okay. So now let's see here. So the horizontal data has been converted into vertical data. Okay. So our left side is vertical data, and that has been converted into columns. Each record has converted into columns. This is a horizontal data. So these kind of scenarios that we are going to work in the